rode the Blizzard Quattro 8.4 Ti. I give this ski a 5 out of 5 star rating. This ski is for solid intermediate all the way up through an expert level skier. It's great for aggressive short turns, it makes medium turns, it makes long turns, it does everything. You can do the whole mountain on this ski, you can ski bumps, you can't get it going fast enough, it's super stable the whole time. I actually ski this ski in an older version. I absolutely love it. If you're looking for something smooth and versatile for a front side ski, this is definitely the way to go.